How to use X Empire. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use X Empire. X Empire is tap to earn game which is available on Telegram. In order to use this platform, you will need to have your account on Telegram. If you have that, go ahead and open your Telegram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you'll be able to see the search icon. Tap on the search icon and in the search bar here, type in X Empire. Now search for it. You will get various search results below. Here find the official X Empire bot and then tap on it to open the chat page. In this chat page, here at the bottom, you'll be able to see Start button. Tap on it. You'll be able to see Play button at the left bottom below. Tap on it and by doing so, you will be taken to the X Empire platform. Once you reach to this page, you will be able to see Connect Wallet button. By using this option, you will be able to connect your wallet to X Empire. Here in this page, you will need to tap on this AI avatar icon at the bottom right, and then here you will need to choose a cartoon avatar that represents you. Or you may scroll down and here you'll be able to find the guide on how X Empire works. It says you can create your unique AI generated avatars from your own photo. You will need to select avatars count and then upload your photo. After that, you will receive custom avatars. To unlock new avatars, you will need to earn more tokens and use your tokens in order to get custom avatars. You will need to engage in daily quests and challenges that provides additional rewards. And upon completing these tasks, you'll be able to boost your earnings. And as you progress, you can hire workers and build facilities that contribute to your empire's growth. Also note that you have a limited amount of energy for tapping. And once it is depleted, you must wait for it to refill before earning more coins. You can also increase your rewards by inviting friends to join the game. So by following these steps, you should be able to use X Empire on Telegram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.